IELTS Speaking Test. Part 2. Cue card question number 11.
Describe an important event in your life that you celebrated. You should say what the event was, when it happened, who was there, and explain why it was important to you.
The significant event I would like to talk about is my university graduation ceremony, which marked the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. It was an unforgettable day that happened in the summer of 2019, a milestone not just for me but for my entire family. The ceremony took place in the grand auditorium of my university, which is located in the heart of the city. It was a beautifully organized event on a bright and sunny day, which added to the overall joy and excitement. The auditorium was packed with graduates, their families, and friends, all gathered to celebrate this significant achievement. My parents, my younger sister, and my grandparents were there, beaming with pride. A few of my closest friends from the university were also part of this event, as we all were graduating together. This event was profoundly important to me for several reasons. Firstly, it was the culmination of 4 years of intense study, during which I had faced numerous challenges and overcome many obstacles. The journey was not easy. There were times when I doubted my ability to reach this point. Therefore, walking across the stage to receive my diploma was not just a physical act, but a symbol of my perseverance, resilience, and dedication. Secondly, the event was significant because it was a shared moment of pride and joy for my family. My parents had made countless sacrifices to ensure I could pursue higher education, and seeing their happiness and tears of joy made the day even more memorable. It was a way of showing gratitude for their unwavering support and belief in me. Lastly, graduation was not just an end, but also a beginning. It marked the transition from student life to the next chapter of my life, filled with new challenges and opportunities. It was a moment to reflect on the past year's journey, celebrate the present achievements, and look forward to the future with hope and enthusiasm. In conclusion, my university graduation was an important event that celebrated my academic achievements and symbolized the start of a new chapter in my life. It was a day filled with joy, pride, and gratitude, making it a cherished memory that I will always hold dear.